What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the float property, the clear property in CSS. I was trying to read this line, but the float property can also be used to float multiple elements at once. However, when multiple float elements have different heights, it can affect their layout on the page. Similarly, elements can bump into each other and not allow other elements' properties to move to the left or right. The clear property specifies how elements should behave when they bump into each other on the page. It can take one of the following values, like left means the left side of the element will not touch any other element with the same containing element. The right is the right side of the element will not touch any other content within the same containing. Both is neither side will touch any other elements within the same containing element. None means the element can't touch either side. Now we have a div here, width of 200 pixels and a float of left. Div.special has a clear of left, meaning it will not touch any other elements, or the left side of the element will not touch any other elements. So in the example above, all div elements are floated to the left side. The element with the special class did not move all the way to the right because a taller div blocked its positioning. By setting its clear property to left, the special div will be moved all the way to the left side of the page. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the dot answer divs on the page. They have been floated to the left, but the question divs are touching the answer divs on the right, so let's fix it. So in the dot question, we have, in the dot question, set the clear to left. Okay. And then on second thought, this layout is not looking so good, right? It's not looking so good because we had it centered and it's not centered anymore. So remove the float property from the answer. Yeah, we'll just remove that one. Now it looks good. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. That was clear in CSS. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, consider subscribing. I tried my very best to get out as many of these every single day. So if you appreciate the hard work, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day.